Okay. Okay. Sagutin natin tong tanong na to. Coach, tanong ko lang po ito. Okay lang ba ang Herbalife po as a way of diet? I know di nyo po ito pinapromote. I'm just curious po. Thank you po. Okay. Top of mind reasons ko, no? Kung bakit personally I say hindi okay, no? First off, no? Yung Herbalife, hindi naman yan low carb eh. Generally speaking, no? Hindi naman siya low carb. Second, I would rather eat actual na pagkain, no? Kesa yan. Okay? So, that's my second reason. So, first, hindi naman low carb yung produkto nila per se. Yes, it could be a part of a low carb way of eating, but generally speaking, it's not. Second, I would rather eat real food, no? Get nutrients from real food. Third, dagdag gastusin pa siya, no? Eh, pambili mo na yan ng meat, egg, seafood eh. Bakit siya mo pa bibili? So, that's my response dyan sa tanong na yan.